Hello everyone, welcome back in this additional, not in today's newspaper of Tuesday, December the 16th, 2021, and I've told you we have no extra puzzles in today's newspaper, no additional, so I've decided to continue with the edition of Monday, December the 13th, 2021, and we have one puzzle left. One puzzle. Tectonic. Yeah, the Tectonic. Tectonic with 1 star. Alright. The last puzzle in this additional, and this will be number 3840. 3840. Before I start, I always count on printed digits. Well, this one has 19 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be well, it should be an easy one. Yeah, 19 printed digits. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? I see here single box already filled in. Second single box. Single box, always a 1. Then, following question, can we see here the dual boxes? Do we have any dual boxes here? We see here dual box. The 1 is already filled in, so the 2 should be here. It contains the 1 and the 2. No more dual boxes. No, triple boxes. I see here a triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 1 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 3. And remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. But it can be a 4. We have a 4 already, so this should be a 5. Okay, triple box. Then quadra boxes. See here, quadra box. I cannot fill any numbers. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. I need more information. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, this shape. If you see this kind of shape, let me draw this here. Okay. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's already filled in. It's the 5. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me see. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. More. No. Here, another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay. Following structure or shape. How about this shape? The L shape. Mirrored. Yeah. Let me draw this here. Okay. Yeah, we have an L shape. Remember, if you see the L shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's J2. More? Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. The T shape. Here we have the T shape. Remember, the T shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. Alright. More. Do we have more shapes? Yeah. The Z construction. Let me draw this. Okay. Here we have the Z construction, or the shape. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Yeah. Okay, so in this case, it's a 5. Do we have more shapes? Yeah, this one. We have this one. Let me draw this here. Okay. This shape. If you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Okay. Those are the shapes or figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5, there are more, but in this puzzle we have only 5. Okay, then the following strategy is why you need to, the question is why you need to recognize those shapes, because the next step is then it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Alright, these two boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5. It should be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can it be 2? Should be a 3. Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box is connected with that box in T shape, should be also a 2. Okay. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be a 5. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So the other two numbers in this area are the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Okay. Then. Let me see. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 in this quarter box. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 1. Alright. Then Yeah. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be 2? So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it's not a solution to place the 1 here. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Okay. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 the numbers are 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Okay, this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay, well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Should be a 3. Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely the 3. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. Let me mark those. 2 and 1. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Finish in 12 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, the killer Sudokus, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Yes, all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday, and we will meet again tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow on Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.